Welcome to Free Time Gardening. 5 best vegetables to plant in summer. Number 1, cucumbers. Cucumbers are one of the best vegetables to grow in summer month. These vegetables thrive in warm and sunny conditions, making it an ideal choice for gardeners with long, hot summer. What more, cucumbers are very easy to care for and they require very little maintenance. Do not need frequent watering or fertilization and can easily be grown from seed or transplant from a starter plant. Additionally, cucumbers are incredibly productive with just a few plants producing a steady supply of juicy fruit all summer. With their uh, straightforward growing requirement and bountiful yards, these tasty veggies are perfect choice for any home gardener. Number 2, tomatoes. Tomatoes are one of the best vegetables to grow in summer. Thanks to their relatively short growing season and low maintenance requirement, whatever plant from seeding or seeds, tomatoes need lots of sunlight and well-drained soil to thrive. In addition, regular watering and the occasional application of fertilizer are highly recommended for optimal growth. Given those conditions, it is no surprise that tomatoes grow quickly during the hot summer month. Number 3, eggplant. Eggplant are a great vegetable to plant in summer as they thrive in warm weather and require little care. Unlike many other vegetable crops that require a constant watering or fertilization, eggplant are quite hardy and can usually be left to their own devices for most of the season. Additionally, eggplant grow well in a wide range of conditions from sandy soil to loamy dirt, so you don't need to worry about matching your soil type perfectly with the vegetable. Number 4, French beans. To extend the cropping season well into autumn, now is the time to do more sowing of French beans. They can either be sown directly into place or started off in smaller pots to be planted out, easy to grow and giving you a good harvest. They will perform best in the settled spot in with sun and moist but well drained soil. And number 5, lettuce. Another easy win is lettuce, which can be shown from March until September for a supply that pretty much year round. When showing lettuce is in the summer, high soil temperature can lead to seed not germinating. Therefore, it's ideal to sow in the evening, use cold water when watering, and ensure